Residents of Zone 3 in Meadowlands, Soweto, woke up to a chilling scene on Tuesday morning, the 11th of November 2025. The lifeless body of 39-year-old Lebogang Sikwane was discovered stuffed inside a rubbish bin near Masekene Higher Primary School. Community members were horrified. No one could believe such a brutal act had happened right in their neighborhood. According to witnesses, a trail of blood led both police and residents to a nearby house on the same street. Inside, they found the prime suspect, who was quickly arrested before he could flee. Investigators say Sikwane had a deep wound on her forehead and appeared to have been dragged to the spot using the very bin she was found in. Her face was so badly beaten that it took some time for locals to identify her, but sadly, she was later recognized by a resident who knew her. Lebogang Sikwane leaves behind 3 young children as the community now demand justice for the mother, whose life was taken in such a cruel and senseless way. Please don't forget to subscribe and kindly share the video.